Alright, we're here Horseshoe Bay, Texas. Me and my trusty sidekick, Pork Chop. Hey, say hi, Pork Chop. We are sailing, trying to sail, trying not to get too wet. My boat, or what is that, the flag? That's my flag sail. And we'll see if we can have a little fun and not get ran over and not fall in the water. Hey, jet ski, get away from me. Look how big this lake is. Go find your own water to splash in. What is that, a 12-year-old driving? It's illegal. Should be illegal. Probably not though. Nothing's illegal in America. Go Pork Chop, go Pork Chop, go. That's the bottom of the boat. That's usually not good to see, because that means you're about to flip. I got my life jacket on. I do. For those of you who would think I might do something else, flipping along pretty good here. Where's your ball now? Pork Chop, how you doing, buddy? You look wet. Kind of miserable. Must be sailing. Woohoo! Good boy, Pork Chop. Pretty close there. Woo, doggy. Pork Chop, you were so happy when this all started. Are you sad because you